Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to teach you that how you can create a image slider in your WordPress. So by image slider I mean a carousel which will be of full size, and in this video I'm going to use a plugin that is named as Smart Slider. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard and install that plugin, and let's see how the results will come. So here we are on our WordPress dashboard. Scroll a little bit down and search for plugins area, and then you need to click on add new. Okay, so now here you need to search for your keyword, and the keyword is Smart Slider. Press enter, and here the first one, that is Smart Slider 3, is our required plugin. Click on install, and here the plugin has 9 lakh plus active installation. Click on activate. So here our plugin is successfully installed and activated. Now in this sidebar you will be able to see one more option, that is Smart Slider. You need to click on that option and click on dashboard. It will redirect you to the dashboard of Smart Slider, and from there we are going to create our slider for our home page. Okay, so this is the dashboard of our Smart Slider. Here is the instruction that how to use that plugin, but we are not going to see this. We are going to our dashboard. Click on go to dashboard, and from here we are getting an option that is create a new project, and here is the tutorial slider. So click on create a new project, and here we have two options. The first one is creating a new project by starting, and the second one is by using a template. So we are going to create our round. So click on a create a new project. So here the next option is the project type, that what type of slider you want. You want a block or a slider, so we want a slider. The next option is what kind of slider we want. That is a simple slider, that is a carousel, that is a showcase. What? So we need a simple slider only, and the other options are available in pro version. So you can, if you need this, so you can go with the pro version of this plugin. Okay, so here you can set your project name. So I'm putting here homepage slider. Okay, and from here you can set your slider height and width. So I am changing its height to 500 and the width remains same. So click on create. So here is the template of our slider. Now you need to add images in it. So click on add slide 1, and then click on images. Here if you have images, and it's perfect that you can import images from here, and if you don't have images here, then you need to upload them in your media library. So click on upload file and select file. So here I have two files. I have uploaded two files in my media library. So first of all, remove the one and only import one image at a time. Okay, so right now I'm going to remove this one. Okay, now you need to click on select, and then the image will be visible in your first image. Okay, now the next image, now let's upload the next image. So here we are done with this one as well. Okay, so here are both images. Now what you need to do, you need to click on save, and if I go here and refresh the page, then you will not be able to see any change. What's the reason behind it? The reason is that we have not mentioned that where we want to show our smart slider. So to show the smart slider, we are going to use a short code, that is this. Okay, copy that short code and paste it using Elementor or your default WordPress editor. Before updating the short code of that plugin, of that slider, we are going to do some basic things, that are the first one is controls. We are going to use controls as a bullets as well, and also by arrows. So we will have two kind of controllers in our slider. The first one is arrows and the second one is bullets. Okay, and now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to add some animation. So from here you can apply background animations. So here are the animations that we can use to show our images. The First one is zoom, the second is zoom out, then fade, then cut into left, and then puzzle. So right now we are going to use this one. Okay, so okay, let's use the puzzle option. Okay, click on save, sorry, click on apply and then save. Okay, now the next option is autoplay option, that you want to play your slides by automatically or you let the user to play them by itself. So we are using autoplay option. So from here you can set your slide duration, and here are the buttons as well. Okay, now we are done with our basic settings. Now we need to put our short code in the home page. Search for the short code in elementor element section. Okay, short code. So here is the short code. So before adding the short code we need to make a section over here. Okay, we have choose one structure, this, and now search for short code. Drag the short code element over here, and now you need to paste the short code that you copy from there. Now click on apply. Now let's go to website and see how it looks right now. Okay, so here is the slider for our web page. You can see the slider is looking pretty good. Now after 8000 millisecond the web page or the slider image will automatically change. You don't need to change them. Okay, so I hope after watching this video you are able to use the smart slider plugin. So thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Till then, bye, take care.